Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. I'm here with Thomas. Thomas, how you going?
Good, Mark, how are you?
I'm fantastic. Super excited about what's going on behind us. Tell us a bit about that, a few specs.
So what we've got behind us here, we've got 4 pole sheds. They are 18 metres long, 5 metres deep, total of 90 square metres each. Plus then on the front, we've got a 1 metre overhang, giving us a total depth of 6 metres. So we're here at Wynyard Racing, and yeah, they needed some stable blocks for their fantastic horses they've got coming at the end of the month, and yeah, into it we are.
So yeah, there's a heap going on the site. We've got McLaughlin Contracting's done the dig out and drilled all the holes for the barns, and we've got Black Hill Fencing on site as well, doing an amazing job on all the horse fencing. So this just was like an old runoff block, and they're completely transforming it to be able to train race horses. We're going to have Ryan come on as well in a little bit. He's a jockey. He's going to give us some hot tips for the weekend and tell us a bit more about the property. We're going to wander over, meet the builders from New Zealand Equine who are building these, but they also do the fit out. They've done the job in Te Haraha for us, the shed house with the stables, and they make these amazing products to house the horses in, feed horses, horse walkers, all sorts of exciting things to have a look. So let's go over and meet a few more people.
So we're here with Ryan. G'day Ryan.
How are you?
Good. So Ryan, can you tell us a little bit about this project and how you came to see us at Waikato Sheds?
Well, to go with it, Wynyard Racing, she's got us renting a small block in Cambridge there, and it's come up for sale and we've been pushed out, but just a remarkable little structure here to take it over, and it's turning into an absolute brilliant piece of construction. But yeah, Waikato Sheds have done an amazing job and it's coming together really nicely.
Cool. And so you're a jockey. The Mark is dying to know, have you got anything for us for Saturday?
No races Saturday for us, but Sunday on the weekend there's a horse called Pitman County. She's only one race back for about 400 days, but she's come up really well and she's working really well.
So Ryan, can you tell us a bit more about Wynyard Racing? How many horses you got in work at the moment?
She's got about 20 horses at work at the moment. A lot of race horses, a couple standout 3-year-olds, real imposing 2-year-old at the moment, and a few youngsters there. They're coming through, hopefully either sale horses or ready to run types. But yeah, these 16 stables are looking pretty flash when they're going to be finished, and it's going to be really nice.
Anyone else is out there and is after some nice stable blocks, give us a shout out. Come see me at Waikato Sheds. So I'm Thomas. And Ryan, if we want to get in touch with you, if we've got a horse we want to train, how do we do that?
Just get in contact with Holly Wynyard for Wynyard Racing. She's on Facebook. But yeah, these stables are looking pretty flash and the updates are going to come to you.
Awesome. So we're here with Ross from New Zealand Equine. How are you going, Ross?
Good, man. Good.
Awesome. Fantastic work you guys are doing.
Yep.
Just want to tell us a bit about what you guys are all about and what you're up to.
Yeah, so we do anything equine. So whether it's stables, building sheds, anything that anything for the horse industry really. So rubber matting, all sorts. So do quite a bit of shed builds and stuff like that. So at the moment we're just nogging out for all the equiboard, all the plastic boards that go along the edge of the stables. So
sweet. So yeah, they're going to be big plastic boards that sit down onto this little lip that you've left and sit up there, and that's just protecting the horses from everything.
Yep, 100%.
Easy to clean down afterwards.
Yep, and it looks good. So
yeah, and then and why have you're nogging it all out, and is that just to screw the wood to, or is there a bit more to that?
Yeah, so it's basically just for the screwing of the board, but also the reason we've gone 6x2 is just for the strength, obviously with the horses kicking through it. So don't want them breaking the framing. So
yeah, sweet. So it makes it strong so they don't break the framing, but it also protects the animals that if they get spooked or something, they kick out. They're not going to damage any of it, keep themselves safe. Yeah, so we've got 4 of these pole barns going in here. How many are they all just going to be stables for horses? How's that going to work?
Yep, so every single one of them are stables. So obviously each bay of the pole shed will be its own stable. So we'll manufacture stable panels to go dividing off the bays here, and then we'll build some stable fronts too for this front. So.
Yeah, fantastic. So yeah, we've worked in with you guys before. You've done a fit out on a steel shed that we built in Te Araha, and yeah, that's amazing seeing all the steel work that goes into those to make those cool stables.
Yep.
So obviously you guys get right round the country, or
Yeah, we'll go. I mean, we even fly down to the South Island and do work down there. So yeah, we'll go everywhere, anywhere if people want in the stables. So
cool. And where are you guys based?
we got the workshop in T-Rail.
Oh,
so,
nice.
Yeah, so we just we got 4 guys in the workshop there that pretty much just weld and make all the stables. So we do custom stables, but we also do pre-made stables that we can do for people too. So
Yeah, fantastic.
yeah.
Okay, yeah, so we're pretty excited to see this come along. You guys are gonna keep nogging out, clad it, and then come through, do the rest of the fit out. So
Yep.
we'll come back at the end and get a bit more footage and see all of it come together nicely. So be pretty excited for that.
Yeah, man, be good.
Awesome, cheers, mate.
Sweet, easy.
Yeah, so awesome getting to see a bit of the insight into how this all works, and for meeting the Ryan who we're building this for. So pretty excited to see it all come together.
Yeah, it's looking great. Can't wait to settle some tin on the roof next week.
Yeah, so they're going to clad the walls, tin on, and then so we'll probably, this is going to be one update, then we'll be back to see all of that happening, and then come back at the end, meet a few horses, and yeah, it's just absolutely awesome seeing it all together. Oh well, as you guys all know, great sheds done right.